I was completely wrong to throw away broken light bulbs and buy new ones every time. Those small habits add up over the years. Saving money often starts with small choices that most people overlook. Hello everyone. Today, I want to share a simple repair you can do at home in just a few minutes. No special tools, no complicated steps, and no technical background needed. This method is practical, clear, and easy to follow. If you like fixing things instead of replacing them, this is a skill worth learning and using again and again. To open the bulb, use a utility knife and work slowly around the seam where the plastic cap meets the body. Keep the blade shallow and let it slide. Next comes a simple testing tool made by hand. Take a piece of solid copper wire and cut 2 short lengths. Strip off all the insulation so bare copper remains. Before we move on, share your city and state. It helps me make better projects for you. Hold each piece against sandpaper and grind the tips until they come to a fine point. Sharp tips matter here because they touch small LED contacts cleanly without slipping. Take time with this step. Clean copper makes testing clear and reliable. With the probes ready, bring in a 9-volt battery. This battery gives enough power to test LED chips safely. Snap on the battery connector and note the wire colors. Black stays negative, red stays positive. Strip a small section from each wire end. Twist one sharpened copper piece onto the black wire and the other onto the red wire. Wrap the joints with rubber insulation so nothing is exposed. When finished, you have a simple LED tester that fits in one hand and responds instantly. Now move to the LED board inside the bulb. Touch the 2 copper tips to the pads of one LED chip. A good chip lights up right away. A bad chip stays dark. Work slowly across the board, chip by chip. Each time a chip fails to light, mark it clearly with a pen. Check twice to be sure. Do not rush. Missing one bad chip can keep the whole bulb from working later. Once all faulty chips are marked, remove the LED board. Use a utility knife and a small screwdriver. Ease the board out gently so it does not crack. Lift one edge at a time and guide it free from the base. Keep the board flat in your hand and place it aside. Heat now does the next job. Clamp a clothes iron upside down in a vise so the hot plate faces up. Plug it in and let it warm. When the surface feels hot enough, place the LED board on the iron with the marked chips facing up. After a short moment, the glue under the chip softens. Use the knife tip to slide each bad chip away. Do not pry. Let heat do the work. Good parts come from old boards. Take another LED board from a scrap bulb and test its chips the same way using the copper probes. Each chip that lights evenly is worth saving. Mark those good chips. Place that board on the iron and wait until the glue softens. Slide the good chips free and set them aside carefully. Return to the board being repaired. Place it back on the warm iron. Position one good chip into the empty spot left by a bad one. Hold it steady for a moment, then lift the board off and let it cool naturally. After cooling, fit the LED board back into the bulb base. Make sure it sits flat and the contacts line up properly. Nothing should pinch or bend. When the fit looks right, apply a small amount of super glue around the edge to secure it. Keep glue away from the LEDs themselves. Hold the board steady until the glue sets. Screw it into the socket and turn on the power. The light comes on clean and steady. No flicker, no delay. The repair worked. If this repair helped you today, tap the like button so others can find it. Subscribe to the channel for more practical DIY ideas you can use at home. Leave a comment and share what you would like to fix next.